how to fix devices not connecting to iPhone hotspot. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where other devices can't connect to your iPhone hotspot. Stick around till the end and let's get into this. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Here, tap on Personal Hotspot. Make sure it's switched on. Then, enable the Maximize Compatibility option. This can help devices connect more reliably, especially if they don't support newer Wi-Fi bands. Next, go to the device you're trying to connect and open its Wi-Fi settings. Try connecting to the hotspot again and see if it works now. If it's still not working, come back to your iPhone and toggle off Allow Others to Join. Then go back and open General in your settings. Tap About, and then tap Name. Change the device name, just add a letter or number at the end. This refreshes the network broadcast name, which can sometimes fix hidden connection issues. Now go back and switch Allow Others to Join back on. Try connecting again from your other device. And that's it. Hopefully this helped you get things working. If it did, don't forget to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.